Okay. Please be something good. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this Barbie Heart Secret Box. But I know that this has one mini doll plus cards plus ring from you. So this is from, I don't know what this is going to be, but I hope this is the size for my dolls to have a doll. So let's open these up. We are now closer. So now let's open this teal one first. So here it says open. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. Please be something good. Whoa. Okay, I think this is a card. Oh, I think this is a vet. This is a backdrop. Let's look at the ring. Guys, the ring is so beautiful and small. There. Got that. And the doll is so cute, guys. The doll is so cute. And we get the collector's guide, I guess? Yeah. Okay, there's so many to choose from. Okay, we get a hairstylist, soccer player, and pizza maker, and doctor, singer, chef, ballet, and so much. And we got the vet. Okay, I only bought two, so maybe we can get the hairstylist in this one. Maybe the doctor or the hairstylist. I am wanting the hairstylist, maybe? Okay, the ring is adorable. The doll is perfect for my dolls. My Barbies are gonna have Barbies. So yeah, this is like kind of like they made a background so you can like play in it. And we put the ring also back, but I'm gonna put this on, and you get this little toy. So we're gonna, I didn't see any orange blue boxes, so yeah. Okay, let's open this one now. I love opening these types of surprise toys. I don't know why. These are so fun. Okay, I want the doctor. This looks like a cafe area. Okay. Oh, I like the flooring on this one. Oh, look, we can kind of, oh yeah, we can put the doll in there. That's cute. This is the second ring, which I'm going to put on here. Okay. There's still so much to collect. We get another collector's guide. I wish we could use this collector's guide to recycle. Let's try to recycle this collector's guide. Okay, let's try that out. Let's try recycling a Barbie collector's guide. First, we'll look at this, guys. We can kind of like put the doll here for a stand. Look at the doll. It's totally art. This looks so detailed. Like, look at the eyes. It's just so beautiful, guys. You want me just open these two up? I like the webs, and I think I like that Barbara more. Check if you, yeah, here. Let me just do that again. You're gonna fold this accordion style, and then you're gonna trim it to the doll size. So top a little. If you want to trim it, or you have to trim it from the side to give it the cool looks. First, just glue. I always wanted doll magazines, so I didn't have them. You can, cut. This amazing possum. Ugh, the rings are stuck on me. Okay, let me remove them. So guys, this was all we did in today's video. Unboxing, a little recycling. Hope you liked this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye.